let us do this simple work by first explaining the data below. We have given velocity of boat relative to the river, velocity of boat relative to the inertial observer, and velocity of the river relative to the inertial observer. As you can see, this problem represented below by this simple diagram, and this is where inertial observer is, and is 5.2 kilometer to the fishing camp. And from this inertial observer where he is, the motion of the boat start to be recorded by this inertial observer. The observer inside the boat will record the velocity of boat relative to river. Velocity between two objects that are in relative motions is given by velocity of the boat relative to river is given by the velocity of boats minus the velocity of the river as observed by the inertial observer at the banks here. But this velocity of the flowing river, it is moving against the velocity of the boats relative to the river. Hence, from initial frame of reference here, this will be seen as it is moving at a negative side of this observer from the frame. Now it will be given as a negative sign, and velocity of boat relative to river, it will be equal to velocity of boat as observed by the initial observer plus now velocity of boat, velocity of the river as observed by initial observer. Velocity of boat will be equal to 3.80 km per hour, as we take this velocity of boat relative to the river minus with this velocity of boat velocity of the flowing river. Now time is given as a displacement s from the initial observer to the fishing camp divided by velocity of boat as recorded by this initial observer. This time will be equal to 1.37 hour. Let us consider some important tips here. In order to find velocity of boats relative to the initial observer, when the river is flowing opposite to the moving boat, you will take velocity of boats relative to the river minus the velocity of the flowing river. In order to get the velocity of boats as observed by this initial observer, when the boats move in the same direction as the flowing river, we will take the velocity of boats in the river plus velocity of flowing river. The result from this second case is that velocity of boat as observed by the initial observer, it is very big, as velocity of the boat in the river is added by the direction of the flowing river. Hence the initial observer here will see the boat is moving very fast past him, while the velocity of boats when the river is flowing in the opposite directions will be observed by initial observer as it is moved very slow past him. Now this is how you can solve this problem of ferryman when the boat is moving along the river or is moving down the river. Hence, you may like, you may share, you may comment, and subscribe for more videos like this and for the other challenge in a variety of topic. Okay, thank you.